So if we've got snow up there, that means we've got snow up on our property. And today, we're gonna go take a look, see if we can get in. We made it up to our property. Got my friend Chris here. We're gonna get our propane tank down because I don't dare drive down there, get stuck. So let's go.
You got that shovel?
Yep. Strapped to the shovel, it works.
Kinda. I've been packing it.
Well, another winter has arrived, right, Chris?
Yes.
I don't think I need to shovel that off just yet.
Not quite yet, no.
I gotta hike back up to the top because I left my keys. So I gotta hike clear back up there because I forgot the keys. Ugh. It's been 1 week since we were up here getting the little cabin all winterized and everything was dry, and now we got snow. October 28th, 2023, and I'm out of breath. I need to get in shape. I'm getting there. The keys that I forgot. All right, heading back down. We got quite a bit of snow in the 1 week. Okay, let's see if I can go down this without falling. Whoa. All right, back on our driveway. Wow, you even shoveled the deck.
This is the hobble hole?
My son calls this the hobble.
The hobble?
Yeah, and they all camp down here. This is where we saw the bear and 2 cubs on the trail cam. But yeah, he made this without using a screw or a nail, and he sleeps up here. Look at that.
There you go.
Pond's frozen. So we were 35 degrees when we came in and lit the heater.
58 an hour.
And now we're at 58. What, it's been about an hour?
Yeah.
So it's getting there. Well, we're gonna head out. Next time we'll be on snowmobiles, I hope. Right, Chris?
Hell yeah.
You're gonna come with me.
Yeah, let's do it.
So Chris and I go back, what, how far? 7th grade.
Oh, shit.
1987? 86?
85.
Long time. We're old. See you later, everybody.
Yeah.